Welcome to the Mint Report, a wrap-up of the day's business news. Here are the top stories. RBI says inflation is its biggest challenge. Auto sales accelerate to new highs in October. And markets shoot up with the Sensex hitting a 2-week high. We start with the RBI, which has indicated that inflation remains its biggest challenge. The central bank's macroeconomic report for the quarter said inflation pressures continue. It added that with headline inflation still above the comfort zone, containing it would be the most important issue for monetary policy. The RBI's report comes at a time when India's headline inflation is already falling. In September, it rose 8.6% compared to more than 11% in April. But even that figure is higher than the RBI's target of 6%. The other big worry is food inflation. The RBI says it could not only hurt the poor but also affect core inflation. Worse yet, according to the RBI, the good monsoon seems to have done little to bring it down. The RBI will review monetary policy on Tuesday. It is widely expected to hike policy rates again. And the festive season has fueled record-breaking sales for India's automakers. Maruti Suzuki, India's biggest car company, sold more than 100,000 units, an increase of 50%, and Hyundai's jumped 22% to about 35,000 vehicles. The latest figures come just 2 days after Maruti reported a 5% increase in its quarterly profits. Auto industry body SIAM has already revised its forecast for annual car sales growth to between 18 and 20% compared to the earlier 13 to 15. Meanwhile, motorcycle companies have also posted impressive sales. Hero Honda's went up to some 500,000 and TVS posted a 45% hike in sales. As with cars, two-wheeler purchases have been boosted by the festive season. And analysts expect that momentum to continue well into November and tapering off only after that. And manufacturing has picked up in October, supported by domestic demand. The HSBC Market Purchasing Managers Index climbed 57.2 compared to September's 55.1. Any figure greater than 50 on the index indicates a rise. And October is the 19th straight month of such gains. And finally, trade on the BSE may have ground to a halt for full 2.5 hours on Monday, but it still managed to touch a 2-week high. The benchmark index closed 323 points higher at 20,356, and the Nifty shot up 100 points to finish trade at 6,116. And that's all we have for you. Thanks for watching.